Namaste. Welcome to the Quext online certificate course in primary care rheumatology. I am Dr. Shrikant Wagh, consultant rheumatologist at Lupus Clinic in Pune and the academic director for this course. As you know very well, musculoskeletal pain affects around 15% of people worldwide. A large number of patients who see primary care physicians regularly involve people with musculoskeletal pain. It is therefore essential for every primary care physician to have adequate knowledge of the various rheumatologic conditions. We at Quext Healthcare have therefore developed this comprehensive online learning program in rheumatology for primary care physicians. Musculoskeletal pain may be due to inflammatory or non-inflammatory conditions. A primary care physician thus needs to be able to efficiently distinguish between the underlying causes of pain. Most patients with musculoskeletal pain have a non-inflammatory condition which can be managed by primary care. These conditions require very few investigations and their management is usually conservative, consisting of counseling, physiotherapy and pain control. Thus, primary care physicians are the ideal professionals who can efficiently manage such conditions. Early diagnosis and specialist care are the key principles for the successful management of patients with diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and systemic lupus. Thus, it is extremely crucial that primary care physicians efficiently diagnose inflammatory rheumatic diseases at an early stage and refer such cases for rheumatology consult. Inadequate training during graduate studies has led to ignorance and misconceptions regarding inflammatory rheumatic diseases. These lead to a diagnostic delay and inappropriate management leading to irreversible damage. Early diagnosis is possible only if a primary care physician is well trained in inflammatory as well as non-inflammatory rheumatic conditions. It is also important to have a thorough knowledge of the relevant clinical pharmacology in order to identify the adverse effects of immunosuppressive agents at an early stage. This course is designed to impart knowledge of rheumatology to primary care physicians of modern medicine who regularly come across a very large number of patients with rheumatic conditions. We are confident that this course will also be a good value addition for general physicians as well as orthopedic surgeons, as these specialists are usually consulted by patients in the first place. The faculty for this course includes 20 well-trained experienced rheumatologists and senior professionals from other specialties such as ophthalmology, dermatology, psychiatry, radiology, orthopedics, spine surgery, physiotherapy, and occupational therapy. This 4-month course consists of 12 modules. Every module has 5 lectures of 20 to 30 minutes each. These lectures talk about the most common rheumatological condition and discuss their diagnosis and management. Rare conditions are not covered in this course. It is advisable that you go through these modules carefully and study the reference materials cited at the end of each module. Each module is followed by a short exam consisting of multiple choice questions. Your grades for each module exam will count towards your final grade. You should ideally complete 3 modules every month. There will be a comprehensive examination at the end of the entire course, which will be mandatory for the successful completion of the course. We welcome and appreciate any feedback that you may have. Please feel free to contact us with any questions regarding the topics discussed in each lecture. However, it must be noted that we will not answer any specific patient-related problems during this course. We at Quext Healthcare thank you for joining and we sincerely hope that you enjoy this course. Good luck. Thank you.